chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened you need. Alright guys, right, boating again. We're going to give the boat another little shakedown and see if that shuddering's gone. And Burd is prepping. No.
Hello. Do you put the cable in the locker or not? Just
no, behind the chair. Just call it behind the chair.
Side, yeah.
Don't worry, Burd. Right, there's a few of us going out today. So Wayne from Vanlife builds. Shout out Wayno. He's taking his boat out. Brother Rich is jumping on with him to help him because Wayne's a bit new to boating, so he's down there. Linda and Mr. Kelly are out on their little boat out there somewhere already, and Mark, I think, he's going out on Trooper, and it is 9:15 in the morning. Alright, let's hope this vibration and shuddering's gone from this engine. We won't know until we get up to speed. Okay, anyway, it's a beautiful day for it, so we're going boating. Woohoo! Marina, Princess Moretti over.
Princess Moretti, 47 Marina over.
Princess Moretti, we're just about to slip our lines for the 9:30 outbound over.
Princess Moretti, 47, yeah, come on down, the green light is on.
Right, slip that one then, Burd. There it is, there's our Wayner. Alright guys, we're out. Beautiful, isn't it? It's a very high tide today, so that's the pier, you can't even see the top of it anymore. Our tide is just turned, so it's on its way out. Lovely, and we are boating. Woohoo! Early morning boating, lovely, beautiful morning. Bird's just getting all the fenders in and sorting out the lines, so make sure they don't fall in the water, and there she is. Taking me to find that upstairs.
How long have you got?
Say hello, Bird, take the camera.
Hello. Wow, look at that pier, how high it is. So high. Half the beach has been washed away, not washed away, but you can see it. Crazy. What a lovely morning. We did it, we're doing it.
Temptation, Moretti over.
Wayne, Rich is with rain.
Should go down to Lido first over, just to warm the engines up, and then blast it from there up to the bridges over.
I think that might be Linda and Kelly over there.
Bird's at the helm. Having it.
Having a go.
So we're doing just over 1000 RPM, 8.7 knots with the tide. We're going to turn around that buoy and then blast up to the bridges. There's Wayne there. Alright, happy days. Right, we're up to speed against the tide. We still got that bit of shuddering from the port engine. It goes through it, so I don't know, maybe a bit of crashing the injectors or something he's looking at. Not affecting what we're doing. Wayne's going to catch us up and overtake us. And when it's really high tides, it brings in all these logs and things off the embankments at the river, so you've got to watch out for things like that there. And there's another something over there. It's just everywhere, so yeah, you've got to be careful out here. So high tides. Beautiful. Bird's happy. That tree there, Bird. Huh? That tree there. Yeah. Bridge.
Wayne and Rich. Severn Bridge, first one. Prince of Wales Bridge. And that older one behind it. Quite an impressive structure, this bridge. Happy days.
Here we are, Severn Bridge, and there's the other bridge in the background. Look at that. Yeah. Closer now. Look at it. Pretty impressive, isn't it? And what a beautiful day. Cannot wait for the summer, bring it on. Some more boating. I've still got the shuddering from the port engine at higher revs. So yes, we need to look at that. Always something guys, but we're out boating and we're enjoying it and it's beautiful. Lovely and calm out here. So I think it's spring tides, that's why it's so high. Debris everywhere. Little dodge. Bumblebee. It's gone, Bird, don't worry.
I know it's a bumblebee and it won't arm me, so I don't know why I did that.
Oh yeah, look at the new chart. Right guys, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Loving that. So we're cruising against the tide, 6 knots. The tide's about 4 knots at 1300 RPM. It's nice cruising, gentle cruising speed. There we are, look at that. I got a nice photo of this on a canvas on our OurBoatyVerse website. If you want to have a look at that, guys, you can order one of those. Fantastic. Stay away from that yellow marker there. See on the chart, it gets shallow around here. Amazing. When you drive over it, you do not realise how much it curves. ahead is Mr. Kelly on Linda's boat.
It's changed here.
Yeah, a bit. The way I don't know if you can see on the camera the way the water's changing and rippling and swirling around.
That's just going past the bridge.
Yeah, there's rocks and stuff over there and the land, which we've got to go around. There we are. Burd, I'll see anything.
We're boating.
There we are, our little flotilla. It's by the bridge. There's Lana. Love it. Can't beat it. A couple of boats out together, just potting around. Fantastic. So, show you the difference the tide makes. We're just in gear on tick over, and we're doing nearly 8 knots. That's how strong this tide is out here, guys. Crazy. 8 knots just in gear. Right, here we are, back in the lock. You can plan it. And the gig rower is behind. Yeah.
Well, I thought we were having a race, so we figured we'd go.
That one even got out.
Weren't it? Ah. We were flat out. There's Captain Kelly. No, it's right on there, it just needs to be a bit tighter, doesn't it? Not the right way to do it really, Linda, but yeah, crazy gig rowers. go, we've got to go all the way up there. Right, there we are, back in. So yeah, it's quite tight getting in that gap then. A little bit of breeze blowing me into that pylon, but I've got there. So yeah, just got to sort out what's wrong with this poor engine now. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, click the subscribe button. Need all the subscribers we can get, help us out. Woohoo! Cheers, guys, and we'll see you next time. See where we go with this blooming engine fault. At least it still goes well, so that's the main thing. 2 weeks time, our weekend away, our Easter trip to Penarth, so gotta get it done. All right, happy days. See you later, guys.